Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator crisper cover. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new crisper cover. The crisper cover covers up the crisper drawer and has the rails that it slides on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the drawer is not riding in and out properly. In order to change a part, we have to open up the refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the crisper cover right here. In order to change it out, we're going to remove the drawers first. So just pull the upper one out, lift it up, pull it out the rest of the way and set it aside. And we're going to pull the crisper drawer out. Just pull it out, lift it out, set it aside. Then we can take the glass out. You just want to lift up from underneath and grab it and pull it out. Then we can pull the crisper cover out. We just have to lift it off the front shelf supports, then pull it off the back ones. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the fridge. Here's the old crisper cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. They don't give you a new humidity control, rollers, or seal, so we're going to have to swap that over to the new one. We're going to start with the humidity control. We're going to remove the slider first. There's a little tab right here you just have to press on. You can pull it out, set it over by the new one. Then we have to remove the damper itself. And by each of these tabs right here, we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and come from behind and flex so it goes up over that tab on each one. Once you have it free, we can pull it off and put it onto the new one. All you have to do is line it up with the tabs and snap it down so it goes into those 4 spots again. Then we can put the slider back on. Just going to feed it through the frame. And you want to make sure that it goes into the damper right there. You can snap it in. Once you have it in, we can do the rollers. There's a roller on each side. We're going to use the Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws that hold them in. Once you have them off, we can put them onto the new one. Once you have those in, we can swap the seal over. On the seal, all you have to do is lift up on it and pull it off. You can line it up, push it onto the new one. Some models also have a seal in the front. If yours does, all you have to do is pull it out and swap it over just like the back one. You want to make sure that this rear cutout goes onto the rear shelf support. Once you have it on the rear, you can just lower it down and set it on the front. Once you have it in, we can put the glass in. All you have to do is set the glass in, push it to the back, and support it from the bottom and lower it down into place. Then we can put the drawers back in. To put the drawers in, all you have to do is line them up on the rails and push them back into place. Once you have them both in, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.